Stop by and take a look at the 2020 Camaro. Camaro is developed to be 21st century on every level, from its awe-inspiring design to its outstanding performance to its impressive efficiency, and is priced below $25,000. This vehicle has less than 5,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, alloy wheels, brake assist, four-wheel disc brakes, front license plate bracket, low tire pressure warning, power windows, power steering, tachometer, cloth seat trim. Your new ride is just a phone call away.